Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get to your case problems this week. And remember, case problems, you're going to start with a blank document in Microsoft Word. You are not going to use SAM. So after you save your document, you will upload it. So I'm going to go into Module 1 in my eText. And you can't see it, but if I scroll down, let me see if I can move this somehow. My screenshot here. Anyway, at the very bottom of this right here, you'll see create case problem 2. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to tell you this right here is case problem 2, what files you need, and the flyer, what it's going to look like. I'm going to close this out. I go to module 2. Same thing, if you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see case problem 2, and here it is, and with all your instructions.